Can I DIY Instagram-worthy Christmas nails using nail stickers? Let's find out. This is my inspiration photo that I found on Pinterest. I did try to find the original artist so that I could give proper credit. However, I could not find the original source of those nails. So if you know who did them or if it's you, please let me know in the comments so I can give proper credit. In my recreation, I started by doing 2 coats of sparkly gold polish. While I am using Christmas nail stickers for the bulk of my Christmas art on these nails, I am doing hand-painted lettering for the word Noel. And I learned a few things from the comment section of my last video. The first being that stickers adhere better if there is a top coat, either a matte top coat or a regular glossy top coat with any tacky layer removed with alcohol. So I went with the matte top coat. That's because there is no tacky layer with my matte top coat. And I had heard that hand painting in general was just easier on a matte top coat. And then if you want it to have a glossy look, you just add your glossy top coat at the end. Having done hand-painted art on top of a glossy coat before, I was actually shocked at how much easier it was to do my lettering on top of the matte coat. It just went on so much easier, and it was just easier to correct mistakes, as you'll see in a second. I just made a little mistake with the N. To make sure that all the letters were the same size and lined up correctly, I would just mark them on the nail stand and then take it off to do the letter. And to create as close to a perfect O as I possibly could, I more or less just held the brush in place and spun the nail, and this worked really well. I do think I could have gotten away with only doing 1 layer of the black lettering. However, I did go in and do a 2nd layer of the black lettering because I really wanted the letters to pop amongst the nail stickers. However, I'm not going to make you watch me put on 2 coats of the black lettering. These are the nail stickers that I found on Shein, and I chose them because I thought they most closely resembled the hand-painted nail art of the original photo. And I was really pleased with them. Also, for everyone in the comments of my last video who told me they would stick better again with a top coat, oh my gosh, you were so correct. What was also nice about the matte top coat is, yes, the stickers went on way easier, but it didn't hinder me removing them if I made a mistake like I did here. Like I just chose a sticker that was way too big for what I was trying to accomplish. So I was able to still easily take it off. So it stuck better and was easy to remove. So I can't really ask for more than that. I've been using a silicone nail tool during this video to smooth out my stickers. However, you can definitely use your finger if you don't have a silicone nail tool, especially with a matte coat. You're not going to have any fingerprints show up or anything like that. The original inspiration photo did not have a thumbnail, so I just did what I did on the other nails on the thumb minus the hand-painted lettering. While this looks pretty cute as is, I definitely wanted to use some white polish to create some snow effects on the nails to really give max Christmas vibes. I really like this little snow effect I added to the bottom of some of the letters. And if you're like, some, why not all? I genuinely don't know. I genuinely don't know why my brain gapped on this O, for example. That's just what happened. So some of the letters have that cute little snow pile bit, and some don't. That's being a beginner, I guess. At this point, you're probably also wondering why my snowflakes are so weird, and I honestly don't know. I know about the like dot technique, but I just couldn't do it in such a small space, or at least it didn't feel like I could. So that's why I didn't do the dot effect. But even then, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not very good at that either. So if you have tips on how to make pretty nice small snowflakes, please put that in the comments. All these nails need is a glossy top coat to finish off the look. So tell me what you think. Am I close to the inspo photo? Are they giving Instagram worthy Christmas nails? Do you like the stickers? Do you think it all came together? Tell me in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.